This problem is called sum of two lowest positive integers, and we do exactly that. We will get the list as it is shown here, for example 5 digits, 5 integers, and we need to return the sum of the lowest. So from this list, lowest is 2 and second lowest is 5. So we need to sum them up, and it's 7, and we need to return 7. That's all. First, I'll show you two solutions. First solution that came to my mind and how I actually solved this problem is really simple. I made two variables, variable a, and I made variable a to be minimum of the numbers, and imported numbers, inputted list, and variable b also minimum of the numbers. But if we do it like this, a and b, they both will be 2. So I need to remove the a. We do it like this: numbers dot remove in brackets variable a. So now this list will have 4 integers, and the lowest will be 5. So b will be 5 and a is 2. And at last we just return a plus b. Test. It's working. Simple. And now I'll show you the more elegant way. It's not my way, but it's not hard. It's a one-liner. We just return a sum. We return a sum. First we sort the numbers. Sorted numbers. What we have now, and we sum it. So I prepared this. Okay, it's like this. So we have a list like this. It's actually this list. And when we sort it, it will give us a list that looks like this. And if we sum, it will sum all the members from that list, and we will get 119. It doesn't matter are they sorted or not. So when they are sorted, we just need first 2 elements of the list, and we do that like this. We just take the square brackets. They show that it's a list. We do column. It means we start from the beginning, and we press 2. Because this element have index 0, this element have index 1, and this element have index 2. And what does this mean? You can maybe deduce what does it mean. We start from the beginning and we go until the second element, and the second element, actually the element with the index 2, is 22. But we don't include him. We just go until the second element and we sum the elements before him. So we have 12 and 18. And this should work. Test. Yeah, it's working. This is it. Attempt. We solved it.